So just another day out on the ice fishing with Chris. My buddy Chris, he's like way over there. And we are at Lake Newell. Gotta admit, I haven't had the best ice fishing trip out here in Alberta like I normally do. Caught a few fish, but nothing substantial. So we thought we'd come out here and try to get some walleye, some big walleye to be exact. And I don't know, trying out for a spot. So here we go, first time, and we got the Panoptix showing something on the screen, but I don't know what it is. It's probably perch. But yeah, having a good time anyway. Whatever happens, happens. Hopefully we catch them, and if we do, you'll see it. Well, wish us luck.
You got a fish? No? Or you just gonna...
Was perch again? He came in low though, that's why I think it's a walleye.
He did come
He
in
came
low.
in really low, and he sat underneath the tantrum and just stayed there, and I moved it and he started like doing his thing, you know, like the circles.
When he came back the second time, he came from the bottom too.
Yeah.
Pike don't usually come from the bottom, do they? Well, they hover usually like...
Usually they
2 or
just
3 feet.
usually they just come in full bore, like, right? Like just come in and they just start attacking. They're not that, unless we have the big baits down, they're not really like slow. That's what we do when seems like we're a little bored and nothing's happening. It's pretty cool though. We had a couple fish come in. I had a pike on and it broke me off. 12 pound fluorocarbon, it broke me off. Chris had one sitting under his tantrum for a few seconds. Then I moved it, swirled back around, and it didn't seem like it wanted it, so I took off, and we're hoping it comes back. So hasn't been an easy go so far, but we'll keep trying. It's super fun though, seeing this stuff coming on the Panoptix. Yeah, or on the live scope. If you guys have never seen it, it's sweet. Like, it is worth the price of admission. Oh yeah, get it. Get it. Come on, baby. That's a wally for sure. I'm trying not to drop my GoPro.
Piece of ice. Oh, look at this. Look at my piece of ice.
Oh, there's another one down there. That's gotta be, that's gotta be a walleye. Oh no, don't go away. What happened? Because he knew we were about to leave again. That's a big fish. That's a very big fish. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, no. Come on. That's a very big fish. Hopefully that's a Walter. What do you have on? Jig?
I should put a jig on.
Just, He likes yours though. Why would you change? Like, do you know what I mean? He keeps going back to yours. Oh, you have that Castmaster?
No, the William Wobbler.
Oh, the William Wobbler. Yo, come on. He's got to be here still somewhere. Yeah, he's right there. Come on, Chrissy. This is what you live for. This is your moment. That's my pep talk. This is your time. Why is he so picky? Oh, he's being such a prick. He doesn't like mine, so I'm gonna change. There's one. Come on. Oh, really? That was the same fish. Same movement?
Still there?
No, he went in the background somewhere. It's like, what's this dumbass minnow doing? Bouncing up and down, torquing its tail. We need to make a lure and call it the torque. The wop. The wop lure. Man, what happened? Welcome to Fishing with Bob and Chris.
Where we don't really catch fish,
We just scout.
and we scout for other people and tell them to come here and they catch fish.
That's gotta be perch.
Bigger. A good sized perch.
Look at him go. Look at all of them.
They're running though, right?
Yeah. Maybe not. Think they would bite?
I don't know.
They're all biting.
They're all coming towards me.
So this is like the never-ending search for Chris and I. Should we stay or should we go? So we got stuck here. An important thing to know is that you have to bring all your safety equipment. We had 2 shovels. We had a bag of cat litter in the back. And fortunately here it only took some elbow grease and about 10 minutes for us to get out. But when you're going to shovel yourself out, make sure you shovel out everything and just get out in one shot instead of having to do it a couple times and getting stuck over and over again. This wasn't the first time we got stuck, and
I definitely know it wasn't the last time. I think we got stuck a total of 5 or 6 times this whole trip. But yeah, this is how you get out.
Looks like there's something there. Or no?
No, I don't see anything.
Where'd they all go? It might be the little pike.
All of them?
I don't think so, but... Oh, what's that? There's one. That's a walleye. That has to be a walleye. Yo. Oh, look at that thing. He's gonna eat your camera. There's 2 of them.
That's a big pike.
That is a monster. Is it?
Yeah, look.
Oh, those must be 2 big pike. Oh, what's that other one?
Yeah.
They won't touch just this minnow. That's got to be a pair of pike. Well, let's get it out of here. Can't follow. Is it not going to eat it?
He didn't eat it. Nope. He just went past it. Okay, well, we know what they are. Thought he was going to eat the camera, yo.
Yeah, I know, right? When he came in, I was like, dude, he's going to eat the fucking camera. Hit it. Really? You're going to swim right under it? Really? They're like perch?
Maybe. This perch.
It's gotta be. There's too many of them. Like the pike are gone.
Oh, he's got a walleye.
Who?
On a dinner bell.
Nice.
That's done for sure. That's it. Maybe we'll catch a big one like Jeff did. Is the other one still hooked on?
What's that?
The other jaw jacker? Yeah.
I think so. Oh. The f
I can't believe it didn't hit yours.
Oh.
Like usually when I bare bone it like that at Sylvan,
It's a guarantee.
look, I even get whitefish to eat that shit. Okay, maybe dinner bell is the way to go. Everyone catches them off dinner bells.
Well, it seems like
Good?
good.
Like, but I don't know if he's just using a head or. Usually it's just a head. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we need you to pull us out, like right now. Yeah. Just make sure you bring your stuff with you. I know it's in your. I know it's in the back of your truck. So just tell your boss you're done your meeting. My brother needs help. Like he got stuck. He's such an idiot. He's stuck on a lake right now, and the tow truck is like 6.5 hours away, and I can get there in an hour. Oh, you imbecile. Maybe we should set up the other one right there.
Yeah.
It's in the area, right?
Because he disappeared that way and then came around this way. That's my guess.
Is that something hugging the bottom? To the left of mine? See it?
Yeah.
It wasn't there earlier.
Did you touch it?
You are going to touch it. There it is.
Oh, there it is. There we go.
It was just in the back. Where mine was.
Yeah. It's not that thing that we thought it was.
What do you mean?
That line? It wasn't that line.
Fuck! Coffee's ready.
The walleye.
Chrissy's on again. Oh, big one. Oh, shit. I got it.
Pike.
Or is it stuck on yours? Yeah, it's stuck on yours. It's a pike. You got it? Look at you.
Almost lost my rod.
I think I got it on video. The dive.
William Wobbler, just this.
Good job, bro. Good job. You all good? Need a hand?
Dinner time.
Walleye soup.
Minnow soup.
We filleted that last walleye.
Oh, fucking spicy. Even without the sriracha.
And very peppery. Something on the bottom.
Prime time. Prime time only works if you're in the right spot. Oh, look at that.
Yep.
Pike. Oh. Damn it.
I don't think that was a pike.
You don't think so?
Came right straight from the bottom.
That was long. He came in and he left just as fast as he came in.
He was going so fast that he was leaving tracers. That's what it was.
I think I did a burnout.
Must have just been eyeing yours, eh?
From
And then when
over
you
there.
jigged it, it was like, it's on! Then he got up to it, he's like,
No. He's like, this stuff smells like Mr. Noodles. I don't want it. I don't think he touched it. He did touch it. He did touch it.
he stole your minnow.
Minnows.
He's like, sucker!
Thanks for the free lunch. You're spoiled today, though. Fucking amazing weather. With the smallest pike ever. I think I caught 3 pike that were 1/4 pound each.
They say two wrongs don't make it right.
Oh,
That makes sense.
slime rocket. Pike master. This is on the. He's on the big pikes. Bobby's on the little pikes.
What do I get for jigging it high?
He came in hard. There.
Oh, look how big it is!
So we're was able to get one more fish, and it was a 25-inch walleye. Chris got it on his iPhone, so hopefully I can get the footage off his iPhone and put it on this video, because it was sweet. But yeah, it's so much fun. It's getting cold, so hopefully we can get a couple more, and if we do, I'll put them on the video. See ya. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh, shit.
It's none of yours. He slurped it. Oh. I bet you my minnow's gone. Yeah. He got the bottom of it.
Jeez.
Fuck. That's a fucking walleye.
There he is.
Yeah.
Got him.
Nice.
Got him. It's not as big as that one,
It's okay.
but it's a good one.
Oh shit! Oh, there's another good one.
Woohoo! Beauty! He fucking nailed it. Inhaled it. He's shorter. Oh, check your jackers. Drop it. 23. It's here, 23. Double header! Did you get it? Oh, double header! Yeah! Yo, pick it up! Pick it up! Yeah! We doubled! We doubled! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Look at that! I know. We'll get him in the water. Woo! One more. Yeah! We got it! Yo! Well, I guess that about wraps it up for today. And thanks to Chris for taking me out fishing. And if you haven't done so, like and subscribe, and hopefully it's some content that you wanted to see. Have a good night.